MR2 stripped down for a Mercy build replica. You take the glass out, take all the interior out, carpets, seats. You can leave the dash in, 3/4 glass, back window, engine cover, boot, bumpers, doors. Keep the wiring from the doors, you'll need to extend that later. Front guards, front bar, bonnet, hinges. Keep your mirrors, because you'll take the motors out of them after and use them in the new mirror surrounds, so it'll have electric mirrors. Keep the door light switches, and take these supports off the rear bar. The frame will attach to there later, same with that one. These points here and all these, they can be knocked off so you don't run your leg into them. Petrol cover, you need to keep the latch and the little plastic tab on there as well. Keep your bolts where your door hinges were. There's a tab here, knock that off. These here, you see I've masked up, you're going to cut that off. Follow from the tab at the bottom up to around the hole at the top. You just cut that off with the angle grinder, so otherwise the bottom of the hood's going to hit that. Same with that side. Keep your bolts for your front bar in place as well. That'll attach the frame later on.